Right, big news coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's the star campaigner for the Bharatiya Janata Party, will be in Jammu and Kashmir in the next 24 hours. There are rallies expected in J&K and, very interestingly, one in Jammu and one in Kashmir. So there's going to be one in Katra tomorrow and then in Srinagar as well. So Prime Minister Modi campaigning for the Bharatiya Janata Party candidates in the Kashmir rally. Remember, till now, the BJP had been strong in Jammu, didn't really have a presence in the Kashmir Valley. This time, I saw BJP cadre in interiors of Pulwama, in Anantnag, in other areas as well. That is unprecedented. Now, whether or not BJP stands a chance, but Prime Minister Modi, to boost the cadre morale, to campaign for the candidates and in many ways to encourage people across J&K and in Kashmir to cast their vote, irrespective, but to come out this time at the polling booth as well. Sunil G. Bhatt is joining me for the latest on that. Sunil, so there was a lot of speculation if Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be arriving in Kashmir for the candidates of the BJP, and that has been confirmed. What is the schedule looking like? Tell us.
Well, Pooja, we are breaking this story on India Today that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to address 2 election rallies in Jammu and Kashmir tomorrow, and he's also going to visit Srinagar. He's scheduled to first address his election rally in Srinagar tomorrow, and then he will head to holy town of Katra in Jammu region, where he's also scheduled to address another election rally. So it's going to be a big morale booster for the BJP, particularly in the Kashmir Valley, as you, Pooja, rightly said, because the BJP has been desperately trying to gain, if not foothold, but at least a toehold in the Kashmir Valley. And BJP is trying its level best this time to open its account in the Kashmir Valley. As far as today's polling is concerned, right now I am at Ramban assembly segment, and the polling booth where I am right now standing, you can see that voters are lined up here to exercise their democratic right. We visited many in the morning and there was enthusiasm among the voters here, and we are showing you the visuals. Voters have lined up to exercise their democratic right. We will speak to one of the voters here. जी, आपका नाम? मुझे ये बताइए कि ये जो क्षेत्र है रामबन विधानसभा क्षेत्र,
यहाँ पे तो डेवलपमेंट का है, स्कूल कॉलेजेस का है, दूर दूर जो बड़े ही बैकवर्ड एरियाज हैं उन टाइप का, जहाँ पे यहाँ बहुत सारी ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे रोड्स की भी प्रॉब्लम है।
तो विकास के मुद्दे?
हाँ, ज्यादातर यहाँ पे विकास के मुद्दे
हैं यहाँ। अच्छा, मूलभूत जो मुद्दे
यहाँ, वो इज्म के नाम पर कोई सिस्टम नहीं है, वो नहीं चलेगा, ना चलने देंगे।
So clearly, Pooja, from the voters here, they are saying that they are going to vote in the name of development. And Pooja, the Ramban is one of the hilly districts of Jammu region. There are many far-flung villages, and they here want better road connectivity. They also want improvement in the basic, issues. Is also an issue. That's what young voters told me since morning. But as far as this particular seat is concerned, it's witnessing a triangular contest. The contest is between BJP's Rakesh Thakur, National Conference's Arjun Singh, and there is a BJP rebel candidate who is fighting as an independent, Suraj Singh Parihar. So it's going to be an interesting battle as far as Ramban is concerned, and the other assembly segments
like
that are going to the polls here in Jammu region
and more.
But
there's as much local issues on the ground of inflation, employment, and specifically to ensure they have the facilities. We're talking about assembly elections here, remember.